Hey there, this is Jeff Aaron, VP of Enterprise Marketing here at Juniper. If I had to make three predictions for 2022, what would they be? Number one, I think AI-driven assistants are really going to more or less take over the troubleshooting process in networks. You know, they often say that radio killed the video star, and I think AI and NLP, natural language processing, and NLU understanding are going to kill the dashboard star. No more hunting and pecking or looking at charts when you can literally just type in a question and get an answer like Google, or it'll tell you itself, or actually fix it, self-driving. So I think you're definitely going to see a trend around AI-driven assistance that's really going to change the way that we troubleshoot and more or less eliminate the swivel chair. Secondly, obviously with all the things that's happening, there's been staff shortages. And I think that impacts everything. And to the previous point, AI-driven assistants help with that. But I think where we're especially seeing staff shortages is in the data center. In fact, there's one report I saw where about 47%, 50% of data center companies with data centers couldn't find proper staffing to really operate those data centers. And so that's going to be a continued problem. And I think in response to that, you're going to see more and more automation. Whether it's automated fabric management or intent-based networking or automated assurance, you're going to start to see that take over more in the data center, whereas in the past it was a little bit more manual. So I think that's a big trend we'll see in 2022. And then the third trend is that the lines between networking and security are just going to continue to be blurred. I always used to say networking guys speak one language and security guys speak another. One's from Venus, one's from Mars, and you really have to in today's day and age be bilingual more than ever. Especially on the edge, right? With things like SASE, it's just completely being blurred. Companies that were traditionally security companies are getting into networking and vice versa. Solutions really have to be integrated. And so, for example, security every step of the way needs to be tied in with routers and switches and access points to make decisions and enforce them across the whole connected fabric. And so I think that's a big trend you'll see as well. So the three trends is AI-driven assistance taking over and in many respects replacing the dashboards, staffing shortages, especially in the data center, leading to automation, especially around fabric management and intent-based networking. And lastly, the lines between networking and security are going to continue to be blurred, especially as things like SASE continue to emerge. Thank you.